how to use Stremio on Android. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stremio on your Android device. Now, using Stremio on your mobile phone is pretty much the same if you're going to be using your laptop or PC. The challenge comes is where you will be getting the application. So if you go ahead into Google Play Store and look for Stremio right here, you won't be able to find that application here. So here's going to be the trick. Just simply access or pull up your preferred web browser. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome at the moment. And then right here, what you want to have to type in is going to be Stremio APK Mirror. You're going to have to see a lot of results like from APK Mirror 1 directly from Stremio or from Upside Down. But you're gonna depending on you on which specific link that you will choose. So say for example this one right here under APK mirror. Now you're just gonna have to verify the security verification process right here, and then if you scroll down, make sure to download the latest version of Streamio app. Say for example 2.3.2 or 2.3.1, so you will not have any bugs and crashes. Simply tap the very first link and it will automatically be downloaded. Now installing it, make sure that you have enabled unknown file resources so that you can use the application smoothly. And that's it. That's how you use Streamio on Android.